Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for reading with us again today. Today we're reading a very special book because this book is about Lake and Nori, my two daughters, who are the reason I made this YouTube channel. This is a Learn to Read Phonics series. Book 1's focus is on the letter L, so please follow along with us. If you want books for yourself to read along with at home, they're available on Amazon. This is Level 1 Phonics, so if you're starting to read at home, please come along with Lake and Nori. Let's learn to read together. Let's try pointing to the L words as you say them.
Here I am.
This is Lake. Lake has strawberry blonde hair. Lake has green eyes. This is Nori. Nori has brown hair. Nori has brown eyes. Lake and Nori are sisters. They live on a great lake. It is called Lake Ontario. Let's go, said Lake. We can walk to the lake, said Nori. They walk on the land. They laugh and play. Look, said Nori. I see the lake. The lake is blue. The lake is calm today. Lake finds a log. Let's sit, said Lake. They sit on the log. They look at the lake. A bird lands on the lake. Splash! This bird is called a loon. Lake laughs. Nori claps. We love the lake, said Lake. We love Lake Ontario, said Nori. Lake and Nori walk home. They had a fun day at the lake. So this is a Learn to Read series. Today's focus was on the letter L. It's good to trace the letter L together. These are the words we learned: lake, laugh, lands, love, look, log, land, and loon. In every book, there is a bonus activity. Today's activity requires paper and crayons. It's making a paper boat to float in the lake or your bathtub. I hope everyone loved this book today. If you enjoyed it, again, you can find it on Amazon and Learn to Read with Lake and Nori. If you did love it, please go on Amazon and rate it 5 stars if you can. Thank you so much for reading with us again today. See you next time.